Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In this playlist, you will have daily 10 phrases which are of your day-to-day life. But before beginning, I would like to give you basic tips to enhance your speaking in English. So let's start to learn. Number 1, technique. You always must have to follow the technique while using the sentences, while framing the sentence structures or applying all the grammar rules in particular sentence. Second, that is pronunciation. That is a must and most important because sometimes we know the spelling of few words, small words, but when we pronunciate, we spell the wrong. So you must have a good pronunciation, good command on your particular word, particular sentence structure. Third, sticky notes. Whenever you are not having the atmosphere to speak English, just apply the sticky notes and just paste somewhere else by which you can, whenever you see that, it's easy to you to frame the sentences. Fourth, that is the most important, that is dictionary. I'm not talking about the Oxford dictionary and any other dictionary. I'm saying to that you have to make your own dictionary. Make your own dictionary means make few notebooks, any kind of a diary. You can use it for that. Daily write 5 to 10 sentences, frame new words, frame everything, whatever you want to apply. Find new words in your home, in your place, in your surroundings and write that meaning in English. And most important, that do not forget those writing whatever you had wrote down in that notebook. Next, that is 6 hour and 6 sentences. Basically means whenever you have a time, you just span the 5 to 6 hour, whatever you want to do that. Then after that, take a little break and think what you had done since the last few hours. Think in your mind and apply all the rules, formulas. If you know something about the basic grammar, and note it down in a paper, and then see that how, if you will do daily these kind of a practice, you will must know, or after few days you will see that there are a lot of changes inside you. So now let's start daily 10 phrases. But before that, subscribe the channel and follow the page for more updates daily basis. First, तुमने सबके सामने मेरी नाक कटवा दी. You made me lose face in front of everyone. Second, जबकि वो थकी हुई है, वो फिर भी काम कर रही है. Now she is tired, she is working. Now means जबकि या हालांकि. Third, हमें दूसरों के काम पर अपनी नाक नहीं घुसानी चाहिए. We should not poke our nose into someone's business. 4. तुम्हें कितना समय चाहिए? How long do you need? 5. सब कुछ सही जा रहा है. Everything is positive or everything is going fine. 6. अपने आप को व्यस्त रखो, मतलब अपने आप को बिजी रखो. Keep yourself busy. 7. निर्भर होना बंद करो, मीन्स किसी पर डिपेंड मत हो. Be independent. नेक्स्ट, गुस्सा काबू करो. कंट्रोल एंगर. एंगर मतलब होता है गुस्सा. नेक्स्ट, मुझे चुनौती मत दो. डोंट चैलेंज मी या डो नॉट चैलेंज मी. चुनौती होता है चैलेंज करना. मेरी बात सही से सुनो. हेयर मी आउट. वह इतना पतला है. ही इज सो स्किनी. So this is all about today's class.